Are you ready to discover a natural remedy that has been used for centuries and could transform your health? I'm talking about black seed oil, a true gift from nature with incredible healing power. In this video, we'll explore the incredible health benefits of black seed oil in 3 powerful acts, uncovering its ancient history, diving deep into its science-backed benefits, and finally, showing you exactly how to incorporate it into your life for maximum impact. Prepare to be amazed, excited, and even a little scared by what you learn. Black seed oil, my friends, is not some new fad. It's not just another fleeting trend in the vast world of health and wellness. This isn't some flash-in-the-pan health craze. This is something different. This is a substance with a rich history, deeply rooted in the annals of time. This, my friends, is a story that begins thousands of years ago. A tale that has been passed down through the ages from one generation to the next. Imagine, ancient civilizations from the Egyptians to the Greeks treasured this oil. They recognized its value and incorporated it into their daily lives. Cleopatra, renowned for her beauty, used it for radiant skin and hair. Think about that. The secret to her legendary allure might have been this very oil. The pharaohs, those powerful rulers, they included black seed in their tombs, believing it held the key to health in the afterlife. They saw it as a vital component for their journey beyond this world. They called it the blessed seed, and for good reason. Its benefits were so profound that it earned a revered place in their culture and traditions. Passed down through generations, black seed oil is a testament to the wisdom of traditional medicine, a wisdom that has stood the test of time. A wisdom we're only now beginning to rediscover. In our modern world, where synthetic solutions often overshadow natural ones, black seed oil stands as a beacon of ancient knowledge. It reminds us of the power and efficacy of nature's remedies, urging us to look back and learn from the past. Now let's talk about you. Your health is your most valuable asset, and in today's fast-paced world, it's easy to overlook it. But taking a moment to focus on your well-being can make all the difference. Let's talk about your health. Imagine waking up every day feeling energized, ready to take on whatever comes your way. That's the power of a strong immune system. In today's world, a strong immune system is more important than ever. It's your body's defense mechanism, protecting you from harmful invaders like bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. We're bombarded with toxins, stress, and who knows what else. From the air we breathe to the food we eat, our environment is filled with challenges that can weaken our immune system. But here's the good news. Black seed oil is like a superhero for your immune system. This ancient remedy has been used for centuries to support health and wellness. Studies, and believe me, I've read them, show that black seed oil can boost the activity of your natural killer cells. These cells are crucial for identifying and destroying harmful invaders in your body. These cells, they're like the warriors of your immune system, fighting off infections and diseases. They work tirelessly to keep you healthy and strong, and black seed oil, it supercharges them. By incorporating black seed oil into your daily routine, you're giving your immune system the support it needs to function at its best. It's like giving your body the best defense system possible. So why not take that step towards better health today? Your immune system will thank you. Let's talk about your heart, the engine of your life. You want it strong, you want it pumping smoothly. Well, black seed oil can help with that too. We're talking about healthy cholesterol levels. We're talking about balanced blood pressure. Studies show that black seed oil can help regulate both. Think about that, a natural way to support your cardiovascular health. And it's not just about numbers, it's about feeling good. It's about having the energy to live your life to the fullest. Chapter 4. Turning down the heat, black seed oil and inflammation. Inflammation. It's a silent epidemic. Affecting millions worldwide, it often goes unnoticed until it manifests as chronic pain or debilitating conditions. From arthritis to digestive disorders, inflammation is at the core of many health issues. It's the root cause of so many health problems. Chronic inflammation can lead to severe diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. The constant battle within our bodies can wear us down, making it crucial to find effective ways to manage and reduce inflammation. But here's where black seed oil comes in, like a soothing balm for your body. Known for centuries in traditional medicine, black seed oil is gaining recognition in modern science for its anti-inflammatory properties. It contains powerful antioxidants, these tiny molecules that fight off damage from free radicals. Antioxidants are crucial because they protect our cells from oxidative stress, which is a significant contributor to inflammation. Think of free radicals as rust in your body, and black seed oil as the anti-rust agent. By neutralizing these harmful molecules, black seed oil helps maintain cellular health and reduces the overall inflammatory response. It helps calm down inflammation, whether it's in your joints, your gut, or anywhere else. This makes it a versatile remedy for various inflammatory conditions, providing relief and promoting healing from within. People are experiencing relief from chronic pain, reduced stiffness, and improved mobility. Regular use of black seed oil can enhance your quality of life, allowing you to move more freely and comfortably. That's the power of black seed oil. It's not just a supplement, it's a natural ally in the fight against inflammation, helping you lead a healthier, more active life. Chapter 5. Hope in a Bottle: Black Seed Oil and Cancer. Now I want to talk about something really important: cancer. It's a scary word, I know. But there's growing evidence that black seed oil may have powerful anti-cancer properties. Studies have shown that it can inhibit the growth of cancer cells in certain types of cancer. Now I'm not saying it's a cure-all, but it's a glimmer of hope. It's another tool in the fight against this disease. And for me, any ray of hope in this battle is worth exploring. Chapter 6. From the Inside Out. Black seed oil for skin and hair. Remember Cleopatra? She was onto something with black seed oil. It's not just about what's on the inside, it's about feeling confident and beautiful in your own skin. Black seed oil can work wonders for your skin and hair. It can help with acne, eczema, dryness, you name it. It's naturally moisturizing, it's antibacterial, and it can even promote hair growth. Imagine a natural way to get that radiant glow we all crave. That's the power of black seed oil. Chapter 7. Weight Loss. Wonder, black seed oil, and metabolism. Let's be honest, many of us struggle with weight. It's a constant battle. But what if I told you that black seed oil could be a valuable ally in this fight? Studies suggest that it can help boost your metabolism, the rate at which your body burns calories. It can also help regulate blood sugar levels, which is crucial for weight management. It's not a magic bullet, but it's a natural way to support your weight loss journey. We all know that gut health is crucial for overall well-being. It's where so much happens, from digestion to immunity. And guess what? Black seed oil can work wonders for your gut too. It can help soothe inflammation in the gut, reduce bloating, and promote healthy digestion. People are finding relief from digestive issues like IBS and heartburn. It's like giving your gut a warm hug. Now, let's talk about breathing. It's something we often take for granted, but it's essential for life. Black seed oil has been traditionally used to support respiratory health. It can help open up the airways, reduce inflammation in the lungs, and even ease symptoms of asthma and allergies. Imagine breathing freely and easily again. That's the power of black seed oil. We've covered a lot today, from ancient history to cutting-edge science. We've seen how black seed oil can benefit your immune system, your heart, your skin, your weight, your gut, your respiratory system, and even your fight against cancer. This is a natural remedy that has stood the test of time, and it's time for you to experience its power. Don't wait another day to unlock the incredible health benefits of black seed oil. Don't wait to experience these incredible benefits for yourself. Click the link below to get your own bottle of black seed oil and start your journey to a healthier life today. This is about investing in yourself, in your well-being. It's about taking control of your health and living your life to the fullest. Remember, your health is your wealth. Take the first step towards a better you.